11th preparation, when we are talking about the 11th class, this class 11th and 12th are the crucial years in the life of a student. These two are very crucial years. However, with the newly found freedom that comes along, students who are joining, who has appeared 10th standard, they lead to ignore the studies in 11th because they consider 11th as the rest year. Many students, they don't take class 11 seriously, and until it is too late they wake up, and then it becomes a big problem for them, because if you are really aspirants for engineering and medical and further more professional colleges, then definitely you will have to be serious about right from the beginning. Now, students aspiring to become engineers and doctors, they definitely cannot afford to not take class 11 seriously. Class 11 syllabus for physics, maybe for chemistry, for mathematics, or for biology, all are included in the syllabus of engineering and medical entrance examinations like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, BITSAT, NEET, AIMS, and therefore, in order to crack the highly competitive examinations, one must take the 11th preparation very, very seriously. Now, what has this COVID-19 brought in our life? It has made us realize that our current way of life has to completely change. We must completely change the way we lived 2 months back, 3 months back. And therefore, this is a realization for every individual that the world is totally different after the lockdown. Even during the lockdown, the schools and colleges are completely shut. So the children are at home 24/7, and therefore they are puzzled and confused so as what to do. They do not know how do they go about their 24 hours. They hardly are aware of what more they can do. And therefore this platform is provided by Science Academy so that we together interact with each other and understand that even if the colleges and the schools are shut, how do we study, though the studies are affected? This lockdown has definitely affected the studies of the students. Maybe if it was the normal situation, then many students, 90% of the students would have already started studying for the 11th standard, which would lay the foundation for your 12th board examination, as well as for the entrance examinations like engineering and medical entrance examination. COVID-19 has broken our perception of what is normal life. We basically thought, okay, this is the only routine that we can follow. We get up, we go to the classes, we go to the college, we come back, we make a study timetable, we study, and the remaining recreational activities we do, and that's the only world and normal life for us. But friends, this has totally changed the way of our life, and even it has disrupted the education in the entire world. And therefore now, what we called a normal education would not be the key to the success of any individual. One has to change. And how do we change? I'll be taking it later. It has brought in the need for the change, and it has changed the life of each and every individual. Each and every individual's life has changed, may it be students, may it be parents, may it be teachers. The life is completely changed. And if the life has changed, then we definitely need to change in our actions and in our behavior also. Well, now, when you're appeared for 10th standard, how is it important, the 11th and 12th, in education, in further career that you're going to take up, you're going to choose? Firstly, the 12th class is going to be the last year of your schooling education. And the overall performance of your 12th examination marks, that will be the basis of where you're going to get the admission. And in short, I can say 11th and 12th is the base of college education. You do medical, you do engineering, you go for architect, you go for any basic sciences, but you'll find that this 11th and 12th class, this intermediate years, is going to be the foundation of college education. Believe me, students, your class 1 to class 10, whatever you have studied, whatever knowledge you have gained, That knowledge is going to be the base of your intermediate years, that means 11th and 12th. But what you're going to study in 11th and 12th, that's a foundation of college education. And you must be knowing that many reputed universities and colleges grant admission on the basis of this 12th class and the entrance examination score, and therefore you should be serious about, and it has importance, the 11th and 12th standard. It's not only in the country, that is India, that this 12th examination marks and the entrance examination marks are important, but even in the foreign universities, your 11th standard marks, your 12th standard marks, and plus the entrance examinations there, like SAT and TOEFL, these scores will be counted for your admission into the foreign universities. So it is important for you all to understand one thing, that 11th is important, 12th is equally important. Both the years are going to be the key for you to understand what you're going to be 10 years from today. And yes, the entrance examinations that you all are going to take up after 12th standard, that will be this 11th and 12th will lay the foundation for these entrance examinations. Now you should understand that fine, I have studied, many children think that I have studied for 10th standard and I am going to get 90%. I am a 95% student. I am a category A student, a grade A student. So for me, it is going to be very easy. How difficult am I going to find 11th? It's nothing like as I studied in 10th, maybe it would be in 11th standard. But mind you, students, it is a different ball game in 11th and 12th in comparison to 10th standard. Because what happens in 10th standard, teachers will teach you, you all read, you understand, and you basically memorize the concepts and memorize the answers, and you write the answers in the paper and score the marks. So entire examination is memory based. It's based mostly, 90% of it is based on your memory. And if you memorize, if you're good at learning, definitely you score very good marks in your 10th standard. But the class 11 and 12, totally the questions itself in the examination are not direct. So you have to be very, very different in your study style. If you're a student of science, if you're going to opt for science, then physics, chemistry, and maths and biology of class 11 are quite different from what you have studied in your class 10. In class 10th, the state board children must have studied general science. Here you'll find that physics and chemistry and maths and biology, the science itself is split into these 4 parts. So what happens is the difference in the level of difficulty is too much now when you step into your 11th standard. So when you're in 11th, the difficulty level is more. Every concept and topic you are going to study will be much more in detail. It is nothing superficial. You have to go into the depth of the knowledge. One needs to have a deeper knowledge of every concept. Every topic that you study, you should have a deep knowledge of that topic. The class 11 needs a lot more application of knowledge. It's not only learning the knowledge, understanding the concepts, understanding the topics, but you gain the knowledge and you also have to apply the knowledge of the theories that you're going to study, of the formulae that you're going to study, the visualizations which you're going to basically see in your textbooks. All that basically you have to apply. And as I said earlier, that questions asked in examinations are not direct anymore. And so you must prepare accordingly.